Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we're going to discuss our 10th question. Construct a triangle shadow similar to the given triangle ABC. Let's consider triangle ABC. We took measurements, they are not given, but you can take any measurements according to 3, 4, 5. It should be continuous. It will be good to take like that. Then its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So 5 by 3 of corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So let's take it. Triangle ABC, this is similar to the triangle BA dash and C dash. First consider triangle ABC. Let's take it here. Triangle ABC, let's take it. So BC, let's draw with measurement 5 centimeter width from 0 to 5. So from 0 to 5, what is this? So this is the BC. BC, which will be taken that 5 centimeter. Then what is that another? From B as a center, take from 0 to 4 centimeters, B as a center, take radius of 4 centimeter to draw the arc, which will be, take it as A. So let's consider B as a center, draw one arc like this. Then again C as a center, draw one more arc with a 3 centimeter with a radius of 3 centimeter, which we need to touch the before arc. So for this, locate this point as, what is that? This is the point of A. This is the point of A. Let's going to join, construct BAC and BA. So join AC and BA. Now what you can take it here is, so we are constructed this one. Draw a ray, draw one ray. What you can write it here is, draw one ray BX making acute angle with the BC opposite to the vertex of A. So any angle you can take it here. So let's take it any one angle which is acute angle. Draw ray. So draw ray RX which making acute angle with acute angle. So what you can write, acute angle. So with acute angle means it is less than 90 degrees. So that is the case here. So draw one ray like this. So draw one ray like this. So this is the BX ray, BX. Now what you can write it now is, locate 5 points B1, B2, B3, B4, 5 like that. That means you have to draw arcs with this. So let's take it 5 centimeter, right? Let's take it 1 centimeter. Let's take it 1 centimeter. Draw, locate 5 points from B. So this is first point, and locate another point with equal radius, which equal radius of both the arcs. Equal radius. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take it. Draw 4, 5 and 6. How many points we are drawn, and make it these points as B1, B2, B3 and B1, B2 and B3, B4, B5, B6. So here we need to observe one case. So B1 will be equal to B1, B2 will be equal to B2, B3 will be equal to B3, B4 will be equal to B4, B5. So these are all radiuses are equal. Now what is the next step? So here all the radius will be equal. What is the next step here is, produce BC up to point P such that BC will be equal to CP. So we have to produce up to that. So BC will be equal to up to the point. Now produce this one up to 10 centimeter. So this is the point. So here this is the point of P. Now what you can write here is, so next point here is, BC will be equal to CP. BC will be equal to CP. Here both will be equal in a length. Then join B3 with 6. See, join B3 and C. Why? Because here they are given that triangle ABC sides equal to the 5 by 3 of corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So A dash BJ. So 5 by 3 they are given the ratio 5 by 3. Let's take it 3 as 3 join B3 to the C. In B3C and draw line parallel to B from B5, which is B5 to the C, which is parallel to the B3C. So what you have to write it here is line which are parallel to the C. So B5, so B5 from B5 which is parallel to the line according to that. So let's take it, draw one line which is parallel to, so that point which is parallel to the B3C. Now what we have to take it here is BP at C dash. Let's take it, this is C dash. So that means here B3C is parallel to B5 C dash. Like that you have to draw one line which is parallel. Both will be parallel. So here we need to make it like this. So both will be parallel. From this point, now make it intersecting BP at the C dash. Now draw line through C1. Draw line through C dash, C dash parallel to CA. Parallel to CA. So for this line, we have to draw CA and which is produced of line BA at A dash. So let's extend this line. So BA will be extended. BA will be extended. Now C dash which is parallel to AC. So parallel to AC. Now draw one line. So parallel. So parallel from this point, parallel. So this is the point of, what is this? A dash. So what is the triangles here? You can take it BA dash, BA dash and CA dash. So for this, what you can take it, you can measure the lengths also. So here 3 centimeter and here 4 centimeter. Now what is the B dash C? So let's take it, BC dash will be equal to, BC dash will be equal to, what is the length of this? So BC dash will be equal to, length of this is, it's around 8 centimeter, and this will be equal to 5. So C dash A dash 5 centimeter. Next one B A dash will be equal to, it is around 6.5. B A dash will be equal to 6.5 centimeter. So if you take calculations, you will get the same thing. So here we will get the same ratio 5 by 3 and 8 by 5. If you add 2 to 8, you can get it. So this is the way of explanation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.